Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custom subtitles. To begin, you absolutely need specialized software, as this is the only way to achieve professional results. Programs like Sub or Subtitle Edit provide the granular control necessary for perfect synchronization and intricate styling. They offer features far beyond basic video editors, ensuring your subtitles are not just present, but truly enhance the viewing experience with precision and flair. Next, accurate timing is paramount for effective custom subtitles. Load your video and audio into your chosen software. Listen intently to the dialogue, marking the exact start and end points for each line of text. You will adjust these timings with millisecond precision, ensuring the subtitles appear and disappear in perfect synchronization with the spoken words. This meticulous process guarantees a seamless and natural viewing experience for your audience. Now, let's get creative with styling and formatting. Your chosen software allows you to customize fonts, sizes, and colors to match your video's aesthetic. You can use bold, italics, or underline for emphasis, or even position subtitles strategically on the screen. Advanced options might include dynamic effects like karaoke styling or subtle fade-in and fade-out transitions, making your subtitles visually engaging and perfectly integrated. Finally, it is time to export and integrate your custom subtitles. Save your work in a widely compatible format. SRT is excellent for basic text, while AS files preserve all your advanced styling. You can then embed these subtitles directly into your video file or provide them as a separate file for viewers to enable. Always perform a final test to ensure everything displays perfectly across different players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.